All right, they're going to go get that. While she's getting that, we'll begin.
All right, pause right here. This is where everything officially starts. A motion to revoke community supervision means the court is deciding whether this defendant violated probation badly enough to lose her freedom. This isn't a new trial, it's more like probation's final exam, and the stakes are prison time.
Thank you. To revoke community supervision with your attorney, did you understand it? Okay. Are you the same Amani Renee Robinson who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 008663 for the offense of theft of property less than $2,500 with two or more convictions on December 5th, 2024 for a term of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Violation of condition number 4 in Fair County, Texas. The defendant, Amani Renee Robinson, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of May, June, July, August, September, and October 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How you plead to that, true or not true?
True.
And that single word, true, is huge. By pleading true, she's basically saying, yes, I violated probation, and I'm not fighting it. That hands the judge almost total control over what happens next. No jury, no debate, just consequences. Engagement check. If you were her lawyer, would you have advised pleading true or fighting it?
Is there a proposed agreement?
Judge, this is the defendant's first MTR. We are asking that the court deny the state's motion and alter and amend her conditions to include the hostility management course and a no contact order with Talian Mackey, and that is TALIAN MACKEY.
This is the turning point. The defense admits she stopped reporting because she was afraid of getting arrested. Ironically, that fear often makes things way worse. In probation cases, avoiding your officer is usually treated harsher than the original mistake. Let me know, is fear a valid excuse here, or does accountability come first?
Nope.
All right, so this is the third time she's probably learned her lesson from stealing. Why do you keep stealing?
Before I wasn't in a better position than what I am now, and that was something that.
Whew, that nope wasn't just a reaction. That was the judge signaling she's heard this story before. Judges see repeat defendants daily, and patience wears thin fast when the same explanations keep showing up. This courtroom energy just shifted, and not in her favor.
It just happened, and
Well, did you all plan? Did you all say, hey, let's go to Don and Ben's and take tequila?
Yep.
No, it wasn't anything like that. Like I said, I was in a bad predicament, and I was using that to like pay rent or do any, just.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
Making
No, I don't know. Because, and let me just explain to you why I don't realize that.
Understand.
Because people will spend money on their wants, but not on their needs.
Right.
And what I'm reading in here, everybody in the vehicle was dressed to the nines. So obviously there was money for clothes, there was money for hair, there was money for nails, there was money for gold, there was money for gold grills, but then people are saying they're stealing for other things that I don't understand.
Right.
And then going to Don and Ben's, the officer said that the car smelled of marijuana, and you all just went to Don and Ben's grabbing tequila. So I don't.
This right here is courtroom reality. The judge isn't just judging the crime, she's judging credibility. When lifestyle choices contradict hardship claims, it damages trust instantly. Fair or not, perception matters a lot in sentencing. Honest question, is the judge being realistic or unfairly judgmental?
Bottles.
Yes, of tequila, 2 coconut bottles, reposado,
Yes.
and
Irregular.
yeah. So see, she remembers. So why? so that you all could drink and have a good time? How old are you?
I'm 28. I was 7 then at the time, and that was just how I was making my money. There's no excuse for it. I'm not making no excuse for it. And like I said, that's something that I'm not doing anymore.
What you should have done first, we're here now on this motion to revoke with months of not reporting. As the state mentioned, this is her first MTR. She has been on GPS monitor since the court set a bond for her, and she's had no issues on the monitor. So we're respectfully asking the court to follow the state's recommendation and try to get Ms. Robinson back on track so she can successfully complete her probation.
How old are you?
29.
All right, I'm going to give you your choice. These are your only choices. There are no other choices. One, I can revoke you, and if there's no objection, I'll sentence you under 1244 to 300 days in the Bexar County Jail. Or two, I continue you, and as a condition of your probation, you're going to do some jail time, and it'll be 30 days jail.
This right here is courtroom reality. The judge isn't just judging the crime, she's judging credibility. When lifestyle choices contradict hardship claims, it damages trust instantly. Fair or not, perception matters a lot in sentencing. Honest question, is the judge being realistic or unfairly judgmental?
What has your client decided?
Which decision are you going to do?
On the record, let's keep it down.
30 days and continue on 300 days.
I want to be my 300.
All right. Oh, do you have the,
I can try to turn it into your first.
all right, can I have a trial court certification, please? All right, court is finding violation of condition number 4 true. Court will sentence you under, well, the court will revoke. Sentence you to 300 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Don and Ben's, BEN''S, BEN''S. There's to be no contact with Talon, I believe it's Talon McKee.
I believe that was the name the state put on the record, Judge.
All right, is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right, let's review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney. Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on community supervision. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you.
Taking her into custody. Yeah, you're taking her into custody, right?
Yes.
Oh.
And I don't know, counsel, if she has anyone here that she has things she would like to give to them.
Yes, I thought I told you, we're gonna do that. We're not, please.
Yes.